In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to insert and crop student photos into the digital Christmas cards. So you go up to the top menu and you click Insert, Pictures, This Device, and then you're going to browse to the location on your computer where you have saved your student photos. For this example, I'm just using a stock photo for privacy reasons. So you select the photo you wish to use and you click Insert. And then we need to further crop that photo to better fit the card. So the way you do that is you make sure that the photo is selected, and you will know that your photo is selected because you will see white circles around it. If you don't see the white circles, all you do is simply click anywhere on the picture to select it. Then you go up, it's under the Format tab, and we're going to do Crop to Shape. And there we're going to pick a shape. Most of the cards will be a circle shape, unless you want to use a heart shape for the candy cane palm. But for most of them, a circle shape will do. So that is what I'm going to use for this example. So you click the shape that you wish to use, and you will see that it has cropped it to that shape. However, it is not quite the way we would like it. I want to just show the child's face. So I have to do some further cropping. So then you come up under the crop again, and this time you're just going to pick crop, the top one. And we will go into cropping mode, and that means you will have these black cropping handles around the picture, and that's what you're going to use to further crop the picture. So you can use the side handles to bring the sides in more, and you can use the corner to crop the whole thing. So you use those handles and you move them until you get the shape that you want. Like in this one, I just want the child's face. So that's what I'm going to use. Once you have it cropped, you click off the picture to exit cropping mode. So you can, I just come over here to the gray part, click off the picture, and all that extra part of the picture will be removed, and only the part that you wanted cropped will remain. So then we need to resize it in order to fit the card. So then you click on the photo again until the white dots appear, and those are what you're going to use to further resize the picture to fit the card. And then you just place it on the card in the appropriate spot. And that is all. That is how you insert and crop the pictures for the cards.